Welcome back to the channel. Today we are learning how to use Detroit Diesel Diagnostic Link, or DDDL, version 8.23. This is the official tool for DD13, DD15 and DD16 engines. Start by plugging your adapter into the truck diagnostic port. DDDL works with common adapters like the Nexic USB link. Turn the ignition on, open DDDL, and the software finds the engine automatically. Once connected, the main screen shows everything about the engine. You see the serial number, horsepower rating, and current software levels. This confirms you are connected to the right ECM before you start. Open the fault code screen to see active and stored faults. Each code shows the SPN and FMI numbers with a plain language description. After fixing the problem, clear the codes and verify they stay gone. The instrumentation panel gives you live gauges for the whole engine. Watch fuel pressure, turbo boost, and exhaust temperatures in real time. Comparing these values against spec is the fastest way to spot trouble. Under service routines, DDDL offers guided procedures for testing components. You can activate valves, test injectors, and verify sensors. The software walks you through each step, so nothing gets missed. One of the most used features is forced DPF regeneration. When the filter loads up with soot, run a parked regen straight from the laptop. This clears the filter and prevents costly engine derates. DDDL also lets you view and adjust engine parameters, like idle shutdown timers and cruise settings. Always back up the current configuration before changing anything, so you can roll back if needed. Quick tips from the field. Keep the batteries on a charger during long regens. Check after-treatment health regularly, not just when codes appear. And keep DDDL updated for the newest engine coverage. And that is how you use DDDL like a professional. We provide the full version with remote installation and activation support at diagramtechpro.com. Subscribe for more diesel software guides, and see you in the next video.